The Department of Speech Pathology and Audiology houses the WIU Speech Language Hearing Clinic. Seniors and graduate students of the program are the frontline providers for clients who come to us for services related to a variety of communication disorders. Under the supervision of faculty supervisors, students gain the necessary knowledge and skills to become speech-language pathologists by the end of the graduate program. All faculty are licensed in the state of Illinois and certified by the American Speech-Language Hearing Association. The department and the clinic make up the second floor of Memorial Hall in the heart of our campus. Within this space, you will find 2 high-tech classrooms where traditional learning takes place, as well as a fully functioning clinic and several materials rooms for hands-on learning. Our classrooms are equipped with computers as whiteboards for interactive learning activities that challenge students to not only memorize new information, but to apply it in meaningful ways. The most exciting work actually happens outside of the classroom. Students are involved in our on-campus clinic throughout their undergraduate and graduate careers. Undergraduates must complete 30 hours of combined observation in the hearing clinic and the speech-language clinic. First semester seniors are assigned 1 hour per week in the hearing clinic, where they begin seeing patients and are paired with a client and clinician to further observe a client's progress throughout a full semester. Then in their second semester, these seniors are assigned their first clients in the speech-language clinic. Graduate students are also highly active and immersed in both clinics, seeing several clients per week, all while learning the necessary skills for documentation and professionalism. In addition to seeing clients on campus, we offer off-campus placements at local schools and nursing homes. Graduate students also have the opportunity to participate in adaptive physical education classes in conjunction with other departments across campus. Our clinic features a room for laryngoscopy, ultrasound, 3 materials rooms, a library and workspace, and 2 dedicated computer workrooms. You can often find students studying for exams, working on projects, preparing for their therapy sessions, or relaxing after a long day. Our sensory room is used by many of our pediatric clients to promote regulation and maximize opportunities for communication. From a swing and ball pit to trampoline and balance beam, we offer a variety of ways to meet the individual needs of our clients. For more information or to schedule a visit, please visit wiu.edu/spa.